Trevor, what's your assessment of the prospect of hard Brexit and no deal now, given that we've had this commentary overnight as well, which has sent the pound lower, both Boris Johnson and Jeremy Hunt talking about removing the Irish border backstop plan from any Brexit deal with the EU?
Well, it reminds me of Alice in Wonderland, you know, when Alice sort of says, I can't believe in impossible things, and the Queen says, I tried for half an hour a day when I was younger, sometimes I believed 6 impossible things before breakfast. At the moment we're being told that there will be the UK leaving on the 31st of October. We're being told that there'll be a renegotiation where the Irish backstop is removed entirely, and we're told there's a 1 in a million chance that we'll leave with no deal. And the whole thing's just utterly inconsistent, and I think this is all about choosing the Conservative Party leader. Once a new leader is in place, I think there'll be some cold, hard realities.
Amid all these inconsistencies, is there any kind of consistent investment choice you can make?
Yes, hedge all of your bets. I mean that in terms of sterling in particular, because of course we could leave with no deal on the 31st of October. I think it would be chaotic. I think it would be very damaging for the UK and European economies, and it would result in a, I don't know, 10 or 15% slide in the pound. But the more likely that prospect becomes, the more likely it is, I think, that Parliament will take control. And I think Gina Miller is putting too low a probability on a second referendum, because I think if Parliament takes control and wants to get this thing sorted, it may well be the only way to unblock the situation is to have another referendum. And if the markets get a hint that that may be happening, the pound will go up. And so you've got this knife-edge move on the pound. The pound-euro has been almost like a pegged currency for 3 years. It could go down 10 or 15%, or up 10 or 15% if Brexit were cancelled. And you have to treat it like an emerging market currency and be very careful about your exposure.